To persuade females to come close and admire his plumes, he sings the most complex song he can manage, and he does that by copying the songs of all the other birds he hears around him. It's a very convincing impersonation. He can imitate the calls of at least 20 different species. He also, in his attempt to outsing his rivals, incorporates other sounds that he hears in the forest.
Paus! Calma, cebolinha. Vamos transar mais.
And again.
Paus! I have a cancer. Paus!
Cassino! Cassino!
Você veja, a crepsicola está usando células de fetos abortados, né, como adoçante nos refrigerantes.